Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to mount a license plate onto the front of your winch bumper. If you're looking to mount a license plate onto the front of your winch bumper, then today we're going to be installing this STO N SHO front license plate bracket fitting your Hawse Fairlead on your off-road vehicle. This STO N SHO bracket features a durable aluminum construction with a black powder coat and a simple one-handed operation. It slides behind the Hawse Fairlead and gives you a nice place to mount either your vanity plate or if your state requires you to have a front license plate. It has the hardware to get your license plate on, so let's get it installed in our 2012 Jeep Wrangler. This STO N SHO bracket fits vehicles equipped with a front winch bumper as well as a Hawse Fairlead. You can tell if it's a Hawse Fairlead if it doesn't have any rollers and it's just a flat piece of metal. To start with this installation, we have to loosen up the bolts on the Fairlead, then we can get started. Remove the front license plate bracket, that way you just have this piece of the assembly. We'll get that bolted on, then we can slide this back in at the end. Once you have that loosened up, you can slide your STO N SHO bracket behind it. Now there's two ways that you can install this bracket. You can either come up through the bottom or you can put it on through the top. If you had a top mounted light bar, you'd probably put it on through the bottom. That way you can release it. Personally, I think that look looks better, but it's up to you. Simply slide it behind there, then we'll get these bolts tightened back up. All you have to do to get the license plate bracket installed is pull the push pin, slide it on, and you'll hear a click. We're going to go ahead and grab the included license plate bolt, throw our vanity plate on, and see how this thing looks. Now would be the time to put on the plate that you like. We're going to use our CJ plate. This would of course be your front license plate, another vanity plate, or whatever you'd like. Use the provided screw with the nuts on the back. We're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver with a 10 mil for the back. Let's get them started, then we'll come back and tighten them down. Once you have all the bolts and nuts installed, your installation is complete. We just finished up the installation of the STO N SHO front license plate bracket fitting your off-road vehicle equipped with a Hawse Fairlead. The installation only took about 20 minutes and you only need to use basic hand tools to get it installed, including a 10mm box wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. The nicest part about this bracket is, with a simple pull of a pin, you have access to the winch and you can throw this in the back of your rig. That way it doesn't get damaged when you're out on the trail. Now you can find this license plate bracket as well as many other great parts for your off-road rig right here at cjponyparts.com.